Bayes' rule lets us find the probability of y, given x, if we know the probability of x, given y. You can see the corresponding formula on this slide. Let's now consider an example, where we can use the Bayes' rule. The following table gives us the probabilities for an average student to take some arbitrary hard, or an easy course, as well as the probabilities of failing them. From the table, we can tell that given the course is hard, an average student has a 0.1 probability of failing it. Let's now find the probability that given a student has failed, it was the hard course. To use the Bayes' rule, we will need the probability of taking the hard course. According to the table, it is equal to 0.2. We also need the probability of failing a course, given it was the hard course. This is also given by the table and is equal to 0.1. What we do not directly know from the table is the probability of failing a course in general. However, it is simply the sum of the probabilities of taking and failing a hard course, and taking and failing an easy course. If we now substitute our findings into the formula for Bayes' rule, we will find that given a student failed, the probability that they failed a hard course is 0.83,